Today's truth may surprise you, but it's exactly what your soul needs to hear. Welcome to your daily pick a card, reading for June 8th, 2025. Before you are 5 piles, each containing 3 tarot cards, upright or reversed, revealing the energy, messages and guidance meant just for you today. The card you will choose will uncover the truth about today's emotions, choices, and direction, and what Spirit wants you to do next. Pile 1. Cards. The Hermit. Upright. 5 of Wands. Reversed. King of Cups. Upright. Message. Today calls for quiet reflection and inner mastery. You may be tempted to withdraw from outside noise. That's okay. The 5 of Wands reversed suggests you're moving away from conflict, choosing peace over chaos. The King of Cups tells you to lead with emotional intelligence and compassion, even if others test your calm. Action. Stay centered. Avoid drama. Use emotional maturity to guide others, but don't absorb their turmoil. Pile 2. Cards. 3 of Pentacles. Upright. Ace of Swords. Upright. 10 of Wands. Reversed. Message. This is a day for clarity and collaboration. You're either building something meaningful or aligning with people who share your vision. The Ace of Swords brings a sharp insight or truth that clears the fog. The 10 of Wands reversed urges you to release burdens. You don't have to carry it all alone. Action. Communicate clearly. Ask for support and simplify your responsibilities. Something important gets easier today if you speak your truth. Pile 3. Cards. The Lovers. Reversed. Knight of Pentacles. Upright. 4 of Cups. Reversed. Message. You may feel unsure or disconnected in a relationship or decision today. The Lovers reversed highlights internal conflict or imbalance in a close bond. The Knight of Pentacles brings grounding. Focus on slow, steady effort. The 4 of Cups reversed shows you're opening back up. Don't miss an opportunity out of fear or past wounds. Action. Ground yourself in reality. Be honest about your needs. Take steady steps toward reconnecting or choosing what feels aligned. Pile 4. Cards. Queen of Swords. Upright. 9 of Swords. Reversed. Page of Wands. Upright. Message. Mental clarity is your weapon today. The Queen of Swords sees through illusions. Paired with the reversed 9 of Swords, you're releasing old anxieties or breaking free from overthinking. The Page of Wands brings new energy, a fresh idea, a spark of adventure, or even a flirtation. Action. Cut through mental clutter. Say what needs to be said. Follow your curiosity and let your heart explore something new. Pile 5. Cards. Death. Upright. 8 of Pentacles. Reversed. Wheel of Fortune. Upright. Message. A major transformation is underway. Something is ending, not as punishment, but as preparation for better alignment. The 8 of Pentacles reversed says stop forcing what isn't working. The Wheel of Fortune shows a destined shift is coming. Surrender, control, and trust the cycle. Action. Let go. Allow the old to fall away. Destiny is moving in your favor, but it requires you to release what you've outgrown. Whatever pile you chose, remember, your energy today shapes your path tomorrow. Be present, act with intention, and trust what's unfolding. If this reading resonated, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss your daily tarot guidance. You're guided, you're protected, and the universe is listening.